Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm quickly gonna show you how to make a hair conditioner or pomade for your child's hair or your hair. So we're gonna be using this Dux hair and scalp conditioner. Okay, and then we're gonna use vitamin E. We will use olive oil. We will use glycerin oil. We will use avocado oil. And we're going to use our coconut oil to make this mixture. So that way we can promote healthy and beautiful hair growth on our daughters or sons' hair. Okay guys, so stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so that way we can grow together. Thank you. And we're gonna mix the products in a bowl, in a glass, or any bowl that you can put in the microwave. So here I have the Dux product. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons. Let's see if I can put. Okay, so we need about 2 tablespoons. I mean, these are larger than 2. Okay, so here it's looking like this. Okay, now we're gonna go through with the coconut oil. Okay, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons. Okay, so put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Then we're gonna cover it. And boom.